Okay, I am going to show you how to make a disinfectant spray, which also can be used as hand sanitizer, whatever. You can spray it on your hands, it works. Potassium permanganate is one of those things that you definitely want to keep in your bug out bag. It has several uses. Excuse me, it'll treat water so you can drink it. It is very poisonous, so keep it away from the children. Use it in moderation. I'm going to show you here that this bottle right here would last someone at least a lifetime. It should not be used ever in large quantities because it will burn you. But I've got nothing but water in this. This is a quart of water. And I'll show you, the more pink or the purplish it gets, the more effective it is. But this is the powder, so that right there, that is all you need to disinfect. Just that small little bit. You pour it in, it's going to immediately start purplizing the water. That's it, folks. Once it's mixed, I do recommend not using this if you have something else to use, but if this is all you can get your hands on. Okay, like this right here is probably, this is as dark as you want to get it. That is actually a little too dark. I mean, I may have put too much on there, but this would actually be good for cleaning surfaces, your steering wheel, things like that. When you get out of the car, you can put this in smaller bottles once it's mixed up. So if it's a last resort, you can't find hand sanitizer by name, that's a perfect example of making some at home. There are other recipes that you can try. I'll try to post some more later, but this right here is, I just made a quart of hand sanitizer out of potassium permanganate. And as far as your hands go, I mean, this is about as dark as you want to get it. That is plenty dark enough. You don't want to drink this mixture. If you're treating water to drink, it doesn't hardly need to be colored at all. If it's colored like this, you have put too much in it. But as far as disinfectant, hand sanitizer, surface cleaner, that sort of thing, anything you spray this on, yes, you see it's going to turn purple. Don't really stain your hands that bad. The doctors use this for eczema. They'll treat eczema with it. But as long as that's purple on your hands, it's working. So if you don't have anything else to use, you definitely can use potassium permanganate in very, very small quantities. Very, very small. It should last you a lifetime.